Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Cultist circle in Tarkov. First, understand that these circles are ritual sites appearing in specific nighttime raid locations. Their main purpose is to summon dangerous cultist enemies and their leader. These circles become active only during the dark hours, specifically between 10 p.m. and 7 a.m. in game time, so plan your raids accordingly for this unique challenge. To find a cultist circle, you will need to search obscure or less traveled areas on maps such as woods or shoreline. Once located, approach the very center of the circle. You must then hold your interaction key for several seconds to begin the ritual. Remember, this activation must happen during the designated nighttime hours, specifically between 10 p.m. and 7 a.m., otherwise the ritual will not commence. Once activated, a group of highly aggressive cultists will quickly appear around the circle, often numbering between 3 and 5. These enemies are known for their stealth and primarily use melee attacks with poison knives, which inflict significant damage over time. Be prepared for a very tough fight. Ensure you bring strong armor, ample healing items, and a reliable weapon to counter their swift and deadly assaults. Defeating cultists can yield extremely valuable loot, including rare keys, high-tier armor, and unique items that are highly sought after. However, the primary risk is their potent poison, which can quickly deplete your health if not treated immediately with an antidote. Always prioritize treating any poison effects and maintaining excellent situational awareness during this intense and dangerous encounter to maximize your chances of survival and securing the rewards.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.